Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to move any file from one Google Drive account to another Google Drive account for backup purpose. If you want to move this file, okay, move this one, okay? If you want to move this file to other Google Drive account, now click on share. Now we have to select other Google Drive account, select here and then click on send, okay? Now go to other Google Drive account. So you can see there is no file like this. So now click on share with me. So friends, let me tell you, if anybody share with you any file or folder, it will be show here, okay? So you can see this file is showing here. Move your file to this Google Drive account. Just we have to make a copy. Just right click on it and click on make a copy. You want to also keep this file, then right click and make a copy. Then you can see it will be show here both file. So you can see both file is showing here. Now if you remove this user from this sharing, let me show you share. Now if you remove this user from this sharing, remove, click on save, sharing. Now click on remove and click on save, then see if file is there or not. So you can see file is still there, and click on share with me, nothing is there. So you can see file is there. So friends, in this video you have seen how to share, how to move any files from one Google Drive account to another Google Drive account. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.